roof is very aged, but it definitely does not tell the whole story. As I climb, I notice quite a bit of other concerns. Alright, for starts, these shingles are easily manipulated, so wind can travel under here. Another concern is there are several layers on this roof. Let's see. 2, 3. Technically, at least 3 layers on this roof. The bottom portion is being very dry. See? There's no protection between your decking and your fascia wood. The fascia wood being the wood going behind your gutter line. Decking being the wood going underneath your shingles. There's a space there. Water and rodents can find their way in there. Also, as you get closer to this roof, you can definitely see that you've had quite a bit of granule loss due to lack of ventilation. I know you're thinking that with these 3 turbines that would be sufficient ventilation, but it doesn't appear to be the case. You also have some cracking along your ridge cap, which is a sign of lack of ventilation. And down here you'll notice that one of your turbines is actually not working anymore. Again, more cracking along the ridge cap. Inner lining of these shingles. Also, if you just viewed this roof from the ground level, you wouldn't be able to see things such as these creased shingles, or really this one is detached. There are also some what's called creased shingles, which are shingles that have been lifted up. They may not have detached, but they're definitely compromised and cracked. And your shingles are so dried out that we could not repair this. We would cause more damage, actually. The HVAC system here, or a pipe from your HVAC system. You'll notice it's rusted, a lot of water exposure, a lot of lifting. Water can get into those areas. These are actually missing here. This is the front left side of your home. Some more missing there. Again, some concerns here on the sill, both the base sill as well as the sill around the pipe itself are compromised, so water can get into that area. You can definitely see a gap there. Again, some more missing shingles. You could not be able to see these creased and cracked shingles from the ground, or they would be very hard to see, but as you can see, they are there. Another one completely compromised. Honestly, a lot of these, if I touch them, they're detached. They're just sitting here, I guess because the roof is very dry. But yes, there are very many concerns on this roof, and we like to take care of them for you.